Hi, my name is Chance King. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of River Tree Insurance. And today on the River Tree Review, I want to talk to you about your insurance score and what it means to you. So we're going to cover three things. We're going to talk about first, what it is, second, why it's important to you, and third, some ways you can improve that. So first, what is an insurance score? Well, like you have a social media profile, that's kind of there to tell people who you are, what you like, what you're interested in. Well, the insurance score is there to kind of tell the insurance carriers that are gonna, cover your risk, kind of who you are and what kind of risk you are to them. Now, the reason they look at two things when you boil it down, they kind of look at two things. First, they look at the risk to be insured. Such as if you're getting homeowner insurance, they're going to look at that home. They're going to see where it's at, how it's made, how old it is, all to determine what type of risk. Then they're also going to look at you, and they're going to see what your claims history is, how long you've had insurance, what your credit score is. And they're going to put that all together, and that's your insurance score. Now, different carriers do it different ways, but typically the higher the number, or in some cases the lower the number, just again depending on the carrier, that's how they're going to determine what premium they're going to charge you in order to cover your assets. Again, so that's why it's so important to have, depending on the carrier, the higher or the lower insurance score, because the better it is, the better premiums that you get. Now, what are some things we can do to improve our insurance score? First, I would say is always have continuous coverage, because anytime you have a lapse in coverage, that's really going to hurt your insurance score, and it's going to cause those carriers some concern. Second is try to improve your credit score, because insurance carriers just historically, they see that if people have a bad credit score, that typically means that they have trouble paying their bills, or they don't pay their bills on time, which means they probably don't have the disposable income necessary to perform routine maintenance or repairs on things like their home or their auto, which means that there's typically going to be more claims involved. And then the last thing I would tell you to do is to, before you file a claim, just consult with your agent and try to do a cost. They'll help you kind of go through a cost-benefit analysis to see if filing a claim kind of fits you in that situation, because we definitely want you to use your insurance, but we only want you to do it when it's important and when it's going to help you and be the best thing, be the best outcome for your current situation. So again, today we covered a couple things about the insurance score. We told you what it is, we told you why it's important, and a couple things that you can do to make it better. So if you have any questions about that, feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email. Our phone number is 256-715-0477, and our email address, just email us at wecanhelp. That's wecanhelp@rt-ins.com. Thanks.